I'm so groovy. I am Pluto. Never forget. Okay. I'm so groovy. I got power. I'm so groovy. I got power. I just bought it. I'm so groovy. I got power. I'm so groovy. I got power. That's your bitch. I just bought it. Oh, that's your bitch. I just bought it.
Update, I have a new favorite flower. Like, how beautiful. Gotta have them. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please be sure to do so. Click that subscribe button and click that notification bell so you will never miss another upload from your girl. This is today's look. She's very simple. I think my favorite jeans from Target. They're so comfortable. Like, ribbed top is from Target. Little chain looking necklace is from Target. These hoops are from Target. See y'all in a bit. Bye.
Rap to you real quick. I wanna enjoy the luxury of like not knowing each other for real. Hold up. Lord is flower bound, firefly. When I'm low, she take me high. I can teach you all the sounds of love. Flower bomb, let me guess your favorite fragrance. And you got that bomb. I'm trying to detonate. No disrespecting, baby. Just try and make me smile. Try to keep my spirits up. That's why I lays it down. Try to keep your spirits up. Little vodka, whatever. Took it forever to get dressed. I acknowledge your effort. So I clap for her. She deserves an applause. Shawty working so hard.
Food was great. So now, luckily, well, fortunately, I like that we're there. Ulta is right next door, so I'm gonna pick up the stuff I need from Ulta and then head back home. Hopefully I don't get more than what I come in here for. It's gonna happen, hopefully, a lot. Other concealers that I usually get, I need Toffee. They do not have. These are the foundations that I get. The NARS Natural Radiant Longwear, Tahoe and Iguaku. Her. I'm gonna try her. All I need.
Rap to you real quick. I wanna enjoy the luxury of like not knowing each other for real. Hold up. Lord is flower bound, firefly. When I'm low, she take me high. I can teach you all the sounds of love. Flower bomb, let me guess your favorite fragrance. And you got that bomb. I'm trying to detonate. No disrespecting, baby. Just try and make me smile. Try to keep my spirits up. That's why I lays it down. Try to keep your spirits up. Little vodka, whatever. Took it forever to get dressed. I acknowledge your effort. So I clap for it.
I've been so busy, but I've been thinking about what I wanna do with you. I know them other guys, they've been talking about the way I do what I do. They heard I was good, they wanna see if it's true. They know you're the one I wanna give it to. I can see you want me too. Now it's me and you. Now I've been waiting, think I wanna make that move. Now, baby, tell me if you like it. Tell me if you like it. Now, I've been waiting, think I'm gonna make that move. Now.
Hey, Cohen hanging on my neck. The bracelet matches a set. My brother name is Tina Dollar. Stop all that back and forth over the net. My mama wish I would've went corporate. She wish I would've went exec. I still turn to a CEO, so the lifestyle she respect. Hey, 2 sprinters to Quebec. Cherie ou et mon bec.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. On my way to answer. Anyways, I am on my way to a boozy. I need a microphone. Like, now I need a microphone and I need a new lens. Like, I just ready to step it up. Going to grab a bite with my mother and my brother. So, yeah. Bye.
Count me out, I'm counting my bullets, I'm loading my clips, I'm writing down names, I'm making a list, I'm checking it twice and I'm getting them hit. The real ones been dying, the fake ones is lit, the game is off balance, I'm back on my. The Bentley is dirty, my sneakers is dirty, but that's how I like it. You all on my I'm all in my bag, as hard as it get. I do not powder, I might take a sip, I might hit the but I'm liable to trip. I ain't popping no pill, but you do as you wish. I roll with some fiends, I love them to death. I got a few mil, but not all of them rich. What good is the bread if my niggas is broke? What good is first class if my niggas can't sit? That's my next mission, that's why I can't quit. Just like LeBron, get my more tips. Just put the rollie right back on my wrist. This watch came from Drizzy, he gave me a gift. Back when the rap game was spraying like this. To act like two legends cannot coexist. But I never beef with a nigga for nothing.
So hey y'all, this is my outfit of the day. Very simple. Have on my New Balance and this cute bag, rings, and yeah, my car's here. So see y'all.
Real hot girl shit. Yeah, I'm in my bag, but I'm in his too. And that's why every time you see me, I got some shoes.
Ay, look, bitch, I'm a star, got these niggas wishing. He say he hungry, this pussy the kitchen. Yeah, that's my doubt, he gon' sit down and listen. Call him a trick and he gon' get a holler. Bitch, I'm a star, got these niggas wishing. He say he hungry, this pussy the kitchen. Yeah, that's my doubt, he gon' sit down and listen. Call him a trick and he gon' get offended. He know he giving his money to Megan. He know it's very expensive to daily. Call him, go put my name on that account, because when I need money, I ain't tryna holler. He know he giving his money to Megan. He know it's very expensive to daily. Call him, go put my name on that account, because when I need money, I ain't tryna wait. I can't be fucked with, no. Oh, you can't touch this, hey. Bitch, I do rich shit, my money thick, hey, hey. Walk with a limp, I'm on some pimp shit, hey. He say you all about money, yeah.